Earthquake hits, the force travels into the steel and rubber tubes at the bottom of the building. These tubes absorb the shock of the earthquake and allow the building to sway gently while the ground shakes around it. Other options include packs of giant springs, or even metal plates that literally slide the skyscraper around. But without these, the force would travel up the building's frame, cracking the walls while bending the steel beams, and sending the skyscraper crumbling to the ground.